Poop, poop. We're just about getting ready for bed. We went to wind the Skylight in. A bit of a disaster happened. The handle broke. We couldn't wind it up or down, so I've just had to tape it for the moment with some bin bags because it's just stuck at this angle. Got bungee cord and some webbing I had and some cable ties. I've hooked it all around the hinges and put it around these brackets that were holding the fascia on. So that should hopefully stop the Skylight from flying open as we're driving along. Going to rain heavily tonight apparently. So hopefully the rain won't come in. So hopefully keep the rain out with bin bag tonight. And we'll think tomorrow what we're going to do. Well, the rain did come, but we survived the night. My temporary repair has held. So now Zoe's going to phone Taunton Caravans, our favourite engineers who always help us out with our calamities, and see if they can help us with this one.
Turn left, then turn right.
Pickle, you calmed down, haven't you? Oh, she had such a fright because she was on the sofa fiddling around and then the whole thing just came crashing down.
Oh, God.
So she was like, I don't want to ever go back in the motorhome, it's too terrifying. Yeah, it was a very fraught night, wasn't it, really? We resorted to a gin and tonic.
Or two. But it rained everywhere and you think you're going to drown.
It was a very wet night. I think I may have, by trying to force it down, I may have broken something.
Okay.
It did go, we've got to get it down, so I just went yank and it made some cracking noises. We're like, alright, it's down as far as it'll go.
They're both broken. It's been repaired before, hasn't it?
How's that?
Yeah, on the front edge, along this front edge, the rubber doesn't touch the...
Is it buggered?
It's different. Yeah, that front hinge has been repaired. It's got rivets in which it shouldn't have in. Okay, I shall get outside and start sticking down.
Martin bravely ascended a ladder and temporarily stuck down the Skylight to at least make it weatherproof.
At the end of the day, I would replace the roof light myself. Was it good money after bad or bad money after good? I know you will have to take this out and reseal it. The dome is holding, so it's still operating.
Yeah.
So it's entirely up to you. If it's works, functioning, and you're happy with that, that's fine.
Kiva's driving home.
She actually sat at the
Hello, so we're here at Melv today to try and repair the Skylight that broke when we were away. The winding mechanism totally broke, so it won't go up or down with the windy handle anymore. It will just go up and down manually, so rather than getting a whole new Skylight, which cost between £1,500 and £2,000, we've come up with a novel solution.
But Malish, will it work?
But as these things are never simple, before I can get the Skylight working again, I've got to get this old winding mechanism out of the way because it's jammed in place at the moment. It's actually stopping the Skylight from closing all the way properly. Luckily, I can just unscrew the whole thing from the top. That's better. So now I've got that rotten old winding mechanism out. I mean, it really was rotten. It was all rusted and broken inside. The hatch actually closes all the way better than it ever has. So I think since we got Melv a couple of years ago, the mechanism has been stopping it from closing properly. So now I just need to clean the frame and the window and attach the new mechanism that we are inventing. So the engineer at the caravan workshop place, he said, why don't you just get a stick or a rod of some sort and then you can push the Skylight up and down. And we thought, well, that's a bit crude even for us. So how about a selfie stick, because at least then it's telescopic and you can have it at different heights. So these little D-rings, they're meant for holding a carabiner on your camera. You can just screw one into the end of the selfie stick. The other end's got a sticky out bit. I've got an adapter which is also for a camera tripod to make the sticky out bit be a sticky in bit. Then I can just attach a D-ring to the other end of the selfie stick. Got little mini carabiners, so that can attach inside the frame and that side under the window. And how are you going to attach it to the skylight, you say? Well, we have thought of that. So we've got these things called caravan limpets. It's just a really strong sucker with a screw on it. So they're meant for attaching awnings and stuff. We actually got sent them for free to try them. Oops. So I guess the tighter you screw it, the more sucky it will be, the stronger the suction will be. So hopefully that would be just the right thing to go underneath the skylight. We can attach the ends of the selfie stick to the limpet just with this really strong ribbon. Don't be fooled by the name ribbon, it's really strong stuff. It's pretty clean in there, seeing as it hadn't been clean for a little while. I don't think these selfie sticks are going to do the job because they don't stay out. It's all trial and error, isn't it? It will work or it won't work, but I'd rather try this before spending £2 anyway. I do have another one that locks in place. It's much stronger, it actually locks into position, so that should do the job. I've got this far. That's really not very strong. Oh man. Back to the drawing board, I think. GoPro, stop recording. So we're back again at Melv on a different day to try another attempt at fixing the skylight. I found there are some anchor points attached to the underside of the skylight where I can tie some really strong paracord. Then I'm going to thread the paracord down through the edge of the frame, drill a hole just here, and I think it will be fine because there are already holes for ventilation in the sides of the frame, so I don't think it will let any of the weather in because the skylight itself overlaps the edge of the frame. So we'll have a go at that. Well, that was good. The plastic is really soft here, so I've been able to put a hole straight through out to the other side. So I can thread my paracord through and tie it up onto there. So I've made these little widgets of this tubing that was part of the original gear assembly for the skylight. Cut it into little sections. Twisted some wire to thread through so that I can screw it over the frame where the hole is, so when the cord comes out it will pull against that instead of the sharp edge of the hole. Genius, eh? So I've got one of me little protecting widgets across the inside of the hole because the cord will come through there and pull across to go around a cleat here. I've got another little protecting widget inside of there so that the cord will come down and wrap around that through the hole, and it should stop it from getting caught on the sharp edges and fraying, hopefully. I've got my uber strong paracord. This paracord's good because you can singe the ends with a lighter to stop them fraying. I'll just thread it back through the loop here. Can even tie a knot in there, stop it slipping. Let's try now thread it through my little hole. I'm going to singe the ends first. What I might need to do is get some wire to pull it through. I didn't want to make the hole too big so it's quite tight. So I've got this wire, I just use it like a needle to thread the cord through the hole. So I bend it like that, the cord through it. Twist the wire. That's got it. Ta-da! And you can see the cord is passing over this plastic tubing, so it should hopefully not fray. I don't think that we will want the skylight open any higher than this. At this angle is probably high enough. It's probably a bit more than 45 degrees, so we wouldn't want it to go any higher than that. There's plenty of airflow coming through. It's just the right length actually. Put my cleat about here. Oops. There we go. Don't really need to drill a pilot hole because they're self-tapping screws. That's good actually. actually. They've gone through 2 layers of plastic so they can be nice and strong. Oh yeah, that works great. I've got some beads to put on the end, stop it from flying through the hole. Yeah, that's good. And oh, it looks so neat. I like it. So if I close the window down, and voila! That's not going to open. Brilliant. I'll do the same on the other side.
What are you doing up there?
I'm just putting the plastic gooberries on. So, we finally sorted out the Skylight disaster and we have come up with an amazing solution, if I say so myself. They were up here. We figured it out together, didn't we, Pickle? We have got a system of cords and cleats so that we can open the Skylight as much as we want, prop it open with this selfie stick to whatever height we want. We can lock it in place with the cleats, and when we want to close it, you just undo your cords on this side. And then they can be tied in that position as well. Yay! It's done.
And how much did that cost?
Probably less than 40 quid.
We had paid for it to be totally replaced.
You're looking at 1,500 to 2,000, they said. So very pleased about that.
Works just as well.
Yeah, I mean it's not as quick to get it up and down, but it's definitely not going to open. It's more secure than it was before, or it was only on this funny little winding mechanism which I didn't really trust. So it's a good result, I think.
Yeah. Well done, you. Sound of cheering.
That's it. Hi, I'm Malish and I love travelling in our van. You have to go left a bit.
Hi, I'm Zoe and I'm severely sight impaired, but I still love going out in Melvin the Motorhome.
What are you doing?
Hi, I'm Kiva and I'm a pickle.
Hello, I'm Melvin the Motorhome.
And together we want to travel the world.
And we hope you join us on our adventures.